What's going on, guys? Today I've been at the workshop again and I've done some work on the scroll saw, but I want to show you the difference between cutting something out on a scroll saw and cutting something out on a CNC. So let me flip the camera around and I'll show you the difference. Alright, so these are the little bits and pieces that I've done today, and these are a couple that I had spare from a CNC. So to compare them with these, the main thing we're going to look at is the quality of the edge. You can see CNC one, it tears out a lot on the MDF, and with a scroll saw it's a beautiful clean finish. The CNC might be quicker, but the scroll saw for the finish overall is much better. I'm going to try and line these up with one hand and show you because the CNC will be accurate, but I think I'm accurate enough on the scroll saw. Alright, so I've got them side by side, and you can see CNC one slightly different, but with my cut there's a hairline difference, and try and stack these 10 or so. These first few are what we're going to look at, not the rest of them, because I'm just going to line a few up. Look down there. Look how accurate and repeatable I can be on the scroll saw. Bit of a brag for myself, but I'm almost as accurate as what a CNC machine is with multiple cuts. So I don't know if I'm going to carry on using the CNC for these small bits. Things like the sleigh, definitely so much worth it to do that, because it's easy to sand them. Getting into the edges of these to sand, like into these tiny little spots here and underneath there, it doesn't happen. It's an absolute pain in the backside. I even tried this thing, wrapped some sandpaper around a drill bit. That doesn't touch it, so the time I'm saving with the cuts, I'm wasting even more trying to sand them and get them smooth, so that when I send these out to my customers, they can actually paint them. Again, every single cut on the scroll saw leaves a beautiful edge. Yeah, this top face needs sanding, but that's fine. So I've got stacks of the reindeers and the bigger ones, the snowmen. I'm going to cut all these out, come back tomorrow morning, do some more cutting. It takes about 3 minutes to cut one out on the CNC, maybe 2 minutes. Maybe, even if it's a minute and a half, I'm spending at least 5 to 10 minutes trying to sand it. With these, just throw a sander on the outside, on the faces, on the top and the bottom, and the edge is perfectly fine. So, like I say, what I'm saving with the CNC and time, I'm wasting sanding, and I can be just as accurate with a scroll saw, with small pieces like this anyway. So, it makes sense for me to just keep using the scroll saw for that kind of thing. Thanks for watching. If you like this kind of content, follow along, hit that like button, subscribe, whatever you want to do. Just watch the next one if you want. See you later.